Okay, here I am again. We got our Honeywell air filter. But today we're gonna do it different. We're gonna cut out the mask size, and then we're gonna soak it in warm water to take off the metal mesh. And then I'm going to show you how to make this with the scarf. Alright, here I am. I'm boiling some water. And I'm going to put the mesh in there. This will soften up the glue that's holding up the mesh, and it's easy to come off after. Okay, here it is in boiling water, and it comes right off. Not too worried, because we're gonna boil this in salt water. There you have it. It's one. Let's move it on the bowl right now. Cool on. Nope. Cool it off in cold water. Okay, I soak this in cold water, and this is what you get. It's a nice mesh without the metal mesh on it or wiring. So this is what I'm going to use. It's probably good 8" by 12" cut for the scarf. Sorry about the mess, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna go boil some water and some salt, table salt. Okay, I got the water boiling, and I'm gonna use this pink salt. On the 1/4 of a cup. 1/4 of a cup, but I didn't feel it all the way. Okay. I'm gonna dump some water. It's too much water. There. I'm gonna break it down, the minerals. Get that water salty. By the way, this is not my idea. This is from scientists. Okay, once you break down the salt crystal, you can use regular table salt. I just decided to use that pink salt. I don't know. It's been in the ground longer. I don't know if that makes it different, but Okay, you want to turn down the heat. You can see how it's turning white. It's crystallizing. Now you get your mesh. Soak it in there. Let it pick up all the salt. Ouch, it's hot. Okay. See the salt crystal? That's what's going to be on your mask. Okay, that's good right here. I'm taking this out. Put it on a... Actually, you just want to wring it. It's kind of hot right now. You wring it, all the water out. Okay, now you let this dry. This thing is full of salt crystal. So as you breathe in, the salt crystal and the mesh and the protected mesh will catch the virus and kill it instantly. Okay, here I have it. A nice scarf for your wife or your mother. You're making a mask for a... Hey guys, well here I am again. My makeshift studio. Hey guys, here I am again. Our Mappies. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a corona mask using a scarf. Show you guys how to do it. You get your scarf, and I guess if you're wearing it like this, you got adjust it where you want it at, and this is where you're gonna place it, inside here. So you have to mark it, because it's gonna go over the face, over and down. This way they could tighten it like that, and the filter will be in here. So you have to mark it exactly where you're at, because then you're gonna add some probably a rubber band here to keep it in place, or to keep it above your ears, so it keeps it up above your nose. Well, there you have it. Probably have to shorten this eye up. Let me see. It's probably like a tie. Okay, this will be your mask. Wrapped over and tighten in. This way you're protected. So it'll be right here. So this is where, and this is perfect length. So it's going to be in here, in the face area. So I'm going to mark it. Alright guys, since I'm using this fabric color, this is the closest I got at home without running to the fabric store. Okay, you want to run the thread through and then just knot one side only. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to sew. I was gonna bust out with the sewing machine, but too much work. Okay, here I have it. This is where I marked it at. Okay, let me get this out of the way. Put this up. Okay, here's the crystal salt filter. What I'm gonna do is put it in here. So you lift it up. Line it inside. And if you even want extra, I got this right here. Extra filter. You could line it in there. Cut this. This way you fill it, the fabric. All right, there you go. Put that in there. Doesn't matter about this, it's good. The more you have, the better. What's this? Okay, where's my needle? There you go. Okay, you want to fold it back. Make sure it's where you want it at. Okay, I can feel it right here. This is the end of it. This is the other end of it. And make sure this is lined up correctly. The scarf. Okay, there you have it. Okay. Okay, what you want to do is start on one end. Probably go from the inside so you won't see the end of the thread. Okay, this is what you want to do. Go through there one time. Oops, there's no knot on this. There. Got the loop in there. Right through here. Up. Okay. There you have it. Now what you want to do is fill where the end of the filter, and then you just stitch in and out, up and down. I don't know what this is called, but it's called probably lazy man stitching. There you go, see? Don't tighten it too tight because you want to be a little bit flexible, adjustable inside there. I don't think I made my thread long enough. Okay, there you have it. Now go the width way. Down. Make sure it goes all the way through. Up. In. Out. And that's it. Just cut it. Take out your mark. Well, let me leave it on so see. No. Okay, there you have it. See, filters inside. Alright guys, just finished stitching the scarf. So this is your face. You can see the stitch lines, see it? You can see the stitch line, so your mask is okay. So now let's put it on and see. This is, it will be going like this way. Let's see, like this. You're wearing it like this. And then you want to pull the scarf over. See, this is where it's at. That's where your filter's at, so you want it there. And you scoot this over. There, the filter's all here. Not so bad. Now I just gotta make a little area for your ears. Probably put some rubber band here so you could just put it on here. Or just leave it alone. What do you guys think? Alright guys, that's it for today. I think this is one of the best Corona mask I came out with. That looks nice. And it has the salt crystal inside the filters. This way you breathe in, and if it's this tiny particles will touch the salt and it instantly dies. In theory. That's what the scientists said. Alright guys, have a good day. Stay safe and stay out of harm's way. Thanks.